Welcome to Recall Alert. Today we're breaking down the major recall affecting over 833,000 Peloton Original Series Bike Plus units. If you or someone you know owns a Peloton bike, pay close attention. This is a serious safety issue you need to know about. So what's the deal? The problem lies with the bike seat post. Peloton has received a staggering number of reports. We're talking over 750 of the seat post assembly breaking and detaching from the bike during use. Think about that for a second. You're in the middle of a high-intensity ride, you're clipped in, you're pushing yourself, and suddenly the entire seat just snaps off. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. The consequences have been severe. Out of those 750 reports, there have been at least 19 reported injuries. These aren't just bumps and bruises. We're talking about a fractured wrist, lacerations, and significant bruising, all resulting from falls caused by the seat post failing. Imagine the shock and the potential for serious harm when you're completely unprepared for the bike to fall apart underneath you. The specific models affected are the Peloton Original Bike Plus, also known by the model number PL01. These are the bikes sold in the US. And from January 2018 all the way through May 2023. That's a 5-year window, which means a massive number of users are potentially at risk. If you bought your Peloton bike during that time, it is highly likely that your unit is part of this recall. So what should you do right now? The US Consumer Product Safety Commission, or CPSC, is urging everyone who owns one of these bikes to immediately stop using it. Don't think, oh, it's been fine for me so far. The reports show that this can happen unexpectedly, regardless of how long you've had the bike. The good news is that Peloton is offering a solution. They are providing a free updated seat post that you can install yourself. You don't need a technician to come to your house. You can contact Peloton directly to order your free replacement part. They've set up a dedicated page on their website and a support line to handle these requests. It's a simple fix that could prevent a really nasty injury. Please, take this seriously. Share this information with anyone you know who has a Peloton. A simple conversation could save a friend or family member from a painful and dangerous fall. Again, stop using the affected bike immediately and contact Peloton for your free replacement seat post. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next Recall Alert.